Hello folks, this is Hdr from InspiredToRise.com and today we are going to talk about the LG OLED ThinQ lineup. So guys, LG today launched its new line of televisions which have AI-based ThinQ technology. So these televisions would be under different categories like OLED TV, Super UHD TV, UHD TV and the Smart TV category. And all of these televisions had one thing in common. The panels were really fantastic. If I talk about the panels in modern day televisions, LG and Samsung are amongst the brands that I like the most. Few of these TVs had really great functionalities, like here in this TV you can use the remote in order to say anything to it and it will show you the results. For example, this guy here searched for Salman Khan movies and the TV was quick enough to come up with videos regarding the same. It has dedicated Netflix, Amazon buttons, and you can also use the remote in order to point to the screen and look at a lot of different things and use it as the cursor. So it works really good in real time, as you can see over here. And overall I felt that the functionality is quite refined. The OS used here is not Android based, it's web OS based, and overall experience was smooth. There was no lag or jitter. This lineup of TV supports H265 content HEVC codecs, so that means that you can play Hdr content and a lot of other different things. It supports Hdr formats, Dolby Vision, advanced HDR by Technicolor, HDR10 Pro, and almost every pro format that you can think of. Because of the addition of AI functionality into these LG TVs, the consumers can now directly speak into the remote and they can control the TV functions. They can also discover and play content, control the TV settings, manage schedules, access the information. You can also control the compatible connected smart home devices, which include lighting and appliances like your air conditioner, air purifier, speakers, or other things that connect to the TV via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. One of the issues that I found with this TV was the fact that it increases the FPS to something around 120 FPS in order to create a really smooth experience. But if you're somebody who loves the cinematic quality, you might want to disable this feature when you are watching anything which does not have really high frame rates. This mode is only suitable for sports, but if you are a cinema aficionado like me, you would want the TV to perform like any other normal television. There are a lot of technologies which go behind making the ThinQ television lineup one of the best. One of these is full array dimming, and then there's the nano cell display. All of these features make sure that the overall color output of the television is really good. You can see content on your mobile and the TV simultaneously, and it's built ground up for a great Netflix experience. One of the things that I found in this TV was there's no lack of ports. You can also connect your LAN cable easily to this television, so that's a plus point, and it would be available across a lot of sizes. There's one another feature which is known as two-way Bluetooth, so that you can listen to the TV audio wirelessly on compatible audio device and connect your smartphone with the LG TV. Users can also share the smartphone screen with the LG TV via Miracast and control the smartphone through LG Magic Remote. LG's newest Alpha Line intelligent processor provides very good images, and there are a lot of real life use case scenarios. For example, there might be images which contain depth information, etc., and they are all enhanced by this. These TVs also come with Dolby Atmos and HFR, which is the high frame rate, i.e. 120 frames per second, in order to make sure that the content you watch is really super smooth to see. The LG AI TV is available in OLED, Super UHD, UHD and the Smart TV segment. The range starts from an affordable price of 32,500 rupees all the way up to 29 lakhs 49,990 rupees, with sizes ranging from 32 inches up to 77 inches. So all of these features might not be available in the base level models, but you will get almost all of the features in the models which are of higher price. So guys, this was it for this video. Are you excited about these TVs? Do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.